For generations, immigrants have served in the U.S. military, just like my father. I'll never forget the day my father received his U.S. citizenship. I was only 12 years old. That was the proudest day of his life. He fought in the U.S. Army, and he served nearly 17 years before he was a U.S. citizen. Even though my father was able to obtain his U.S. citizenship before he left active duty, that's not always the case for all military members. Many people don't know that serving in the military doesn't guarantee you citizenship. At CalVet, we help veterans who are still in need of attaining their citizenship support, and we don't stop there. We've also extended that assistance to their family members as well. We want to ensure that all veterans receive the benefits that they earn due to their service. On March 17th, we kicked off our first workshop in San Diego, and so far we've had 2 successful workshops. I encourage all veterans in need of their citizenship and family members to join us on May 12th at the Central Library in Fresno.